Nurses are among the most important people walking the halls of Lee Health.
The nurse does a lot clinically, socially, professionally, all of it put together to be a multitude of support for all of our patients and their families. It goes beyond just the individualized care of the patient.
Lee Health's 12-month nurse residency program helps train the next generation.
Missed out on a lot of hands-on experience after COVID, so there was a lot of things I felt like I didn't really know how to do after school, and then going through the residency program, I was able to learn and master those skills.
Lee Health offers the only accredited nursing residency program in Southwest Florida.
We do hands-on training, we do classroom education, whether it's nursing skills or professional development, self-care of the nurse. We provide making sure that the person who's training them on the unit is a clinical coach.
While the national average turnover rate for residency programs is 30%, ours was just 6%. Alex Cook says it's been tremendous for her career growth.
You get to learn the policies, expectations, how to do procedures, and then exactly you go in and you feel like, oh, I've done this, I know this.
You can learn more and apply by searching for Nurse Residency Program on leehealth.org. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.